At Emory Healthcare, there's a quality of care and a quality of caring. I was a cheerleader. I was a runner. I was a gymnast. I played tennis on hard courts. My knees were shot. I'm a woman who's used Emory for everything, but was using everybody else because I wasn't aware of how strong the orthopedic department was in Emory. The first time I met Dr. Prem Kumar, he was very honest with me, and he prepared me for the worst, and he prepared me for the best.
Monica had unusual pattern of knee arthritis where only one part of her knee was affected. So when we made a decision to pursue surgery, one of the options was doing a robotic-assisted partial knee replacement, which is an opportunity to do a little bit less surgery to hopefully treat the underlying issue.
I asked him the question, would you do the same procedure on your mother? And he said, if she was sitting in your chair, yes. With your symptoms, yes. And he said it in a very honest and open way. Dr. Prem Kumar doesn't really see you as a patient or a project. He sees you as a human being.
Monica is an incredible person. She has incredible strength. A major part of my philosophy towards care is making sure that patients know that we're treating them like they're a member of our family and never leave the operating room until we've done everything possible for their care.
I'm really happy with my knees. I can dance again. And that's important to me. My quality of life was really restricted because of the knee pain. I'm free because I have new knees. I would say to everyone who's at Emory Healthcare, thank you for caring. Thank you for being willing to learn new things. Thank you for being willing to listen to me. Thank you for being my partner in my health. Thank you, most importantly, for being there.
Every day, I and my team get to help people get back to what they love. It's a team sport, and we're doing this all together. And I think when we work together, we're able to do much more than any of us could do individually.
To Dr. Prem Kumar, I would simply say thank you. I have my life back. I have my life back.